Good morning, second graders. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020, and I miss you guys so very much. Our schedule for today, we have reading, daily language review, week 32, day Tuesday. We're going to read for 30 minutes with another person in your house. Then your lunch break and recess break. You have math 180, day 137. We're going to go back to that plain shapes video and do the word play today. For science, you're going to watch the reading maps video. You can take the quiz after, and then you're going to make a map of your own room. Then today, your specials is art. The quote for today is, "Do the right thing even when no one is looking." And it is Tuesday. So your daily language review today is Tuesday of week 32. If you have not already done this, please take a minute to pause the video and finish it first before you continue on. If you have finished this, you may unpause the video now and continue to listen for the answers. How many chickens do Farmer Taylor got? How needs to be capitalized. Many chickens is more than one. Do farmer, and so we need to put does farmer, capital F and then capital T because that's a name, have. How many chickens does Farmer Taylor have? Question mark. Mr. and Mrs. Morris has 4 children. Mr. needs capitalized with a period at the end, and Mrs. with a period at the end in capital. Those stand for an abbreviation, so we always put a period after an abbreviation. Morris needs to be capitalized. That's a name. Has 4. This should be the number 4, F-O-U-R, children, with a period at the end. Also, I forgot a period. This needs a question mark, if I didn't mention that. Find the nouns. A noun is a person, place, or thing. The helicopter landed in a field by my house. So person, place, or thing. Helicopter is a thing. Field is a place. And my house is also a thing or house. Which words go together? Pond, lake, boat, ocean, fish. The 2 or 3, you could say, that could go together, and you could look at this in different ways. Would be pond, lake, and ocean because they are all types of water. You could also say ocean and fish because fish live in the ocean. Fish also live in lake or pond, so there's a couple of different options with it, but I would say the right one would be pond, lake, and ocean because they are all types of water. What does messenger mean in this sentence? The messenger brought us a big box from Uncle Sergio. A person who sends things, a person who brings things, a person who makes things. So the messenger isn't the person who sent it because Uncle Sergio sent it, so we know that's not the right answer. The messenger didn't make it because it was also from Uncle Sergio, so it has to be a person who brings it. Tally that up and show me your score. You're going to read for 30 minutes with a person in your house. Could be brother, could be sister, could be mom, dad, whoever it is in your house. Today for writing, you're going to do page 46. It's about the duck, so you can practice drawing. And then you're going to use the words here to complete the sentences. The duck is in the blank, it has blank, and a duck can blank. Math 180 for today is day 137. If you have not completed this, please pause the video and do so now. When you have completed this video, you may unpause this and continue on. Round 35 to the nearest 10. So when a number is 5 or more, we round up. So the nearest 10 would be 40. 78 plus 52, we know 8 plus 2 is 10, so we're going to put the 0 down. Carry our 1. 7 plus 5 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So your answer should be 130. 31 minus 20, hopefully you wrote that out. 31 minus 20. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1, so the answer would be 11. 4 blank 1 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. How many sides does this shape have? This was one of those 2D plane shapes we talked about yesterday. That is a hexagon, and so that is 6 sides. What is the volume of the cubes? Remember, when we do volume, you just have to count up how many there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. Number 7, if half of the people who like to stay home change their mind and choose the park, what will the new total be for the park? So if we go to people who stay home, there are 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know our double stacks that half would be 4. So if we add 4 more to the park, we would have 5, 10, 11, 12 plus 4 would be 16. 16 people. And write a related addition problem. So this is just turning the fact around. 35 plus 21 equals 56. Please remember to mark your scores over here on the side in a different color than pencil so I can see what you got right and what you got wrong and what we still need to work on. Today for your lesson, you're going to go back to that plane shapes that you watched yesterday, except you are going to do the word play activity today that should also be in your dashboard. For science today, we're learning about maps. Maps was the last unit we had to learn about. You're going to make a map of your bedroom. You can even use this template if you would like. Make sure you include a key so I know what each thing is in your bedroom. In art, you're going to make something, draw something, be creative. If you're, whoops, slide's changing on me. If you're really detailed in your drawing of your map, that can be your art for today. Make sure it includes colors. And you can do it, don't give up. Let's talk about it. It's Taco Tuesday. If you enjoy tacos, hopefully you have a wonderful Tuesday. Take care, guys.